What if your variable had a little map that showed where it lives in the memory? That's a pointer. X holds a value. P holds the address of X. The ampersand gives us that address, and asterisk makes P a pointer. Asterisk P means go to the address stored in P and get the value. This is called dereferencing. You can even change the value at the address. Now X becomes 20 even though we used asterisk P. Use pointers to change values inside functions. Instead of copying data, you send it to the address. Pointers help you understand memory, build efficiency, and pass large data without slowing down. Remember, ampersand gives you an address, asterisk lets you use it. Once you get it, pointers are not as scary but powerful.